Hello, beautiful. It's so great to be here with you today. Oh my goodness, I'm drinking my magic mineral broth that I made over the weekend. It's so good. It just floods your body with beautiful minerals. It's just basically a bunch of vegetables that you cover with water, add some special things in there, and then you drink 3 cups a day. And our beautiful ladies in our Heal Your Hormones and Hormone Harmony programs are finishing up their detox. And I like to do this mineral broth just to keep me more flexible. You can touch your toes when you drink it, and you can, yeah, flex more. Just way more flexibility. And I need that because I tend to really power through my minerals. So, feels so good. It ends up being the base for my shake, and I love it so much. So today I want to share why sleep is your hormone superpower. Hi, this is Robin Nielsen. I'm CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. And oh my goodness, sleep is one of my favorite things. It's really the magic elixir for healing. And it's really like one of the most underrated tools for women's hormone health. And that's restorative sleep, not medicated sleep, but restorative sleep, where you get the full cycles of REM and deep sleep, and at least 8 hours. I know that may seem like a lot, but it's essential that you get 8 hours because that's when all the healing takes place. So, restorative sleep, as opposed to doing another diet or another workout or some special drink, but just really focusing on sleep. It is truly the magic elixir for healing and hormone balancing. So before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, I know I need more sleep, hear me out. Because what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about your bedtime. So I'm just going to give you a few tidbits today, and then we're going to continue talking about sleep over the course of the month so that you really get a sense of what it looks like to get good restorative sleep. So here's the thing, your body is a 24-hour hormone factory. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, melatonin, thyroid hormones, and even insulin, they're not just hanging out. They're working in a delicate rhythm, and sleep is when a huge part of that balancing act happens. So let's start with cortisol because it is one of my favorite hormones to talk about. It's your stress hormone, but it's also your daytime hormone. It naturally peaks in the morning, so about 2 hours after waking. It helps you wake up, and then it drops throughout the day. But if you're not sleeping enough, your body thinks that you're under constant threat. So cortisol stays high, and that throws off every other hormone from reproductive to thyroid. And then there's melatonin. It's your sleep hormone, but it's not just about helping you drift off. In fact, it's not really about that at all. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your ovaries and eggs from damage. And it also protects you from the metabolic diseases of aging, like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and cancer even. If you're not getting enough restorative sleep, melatonin production drops. And here's the big one for many women, progesterone. Progesterone is a calming, feel-good hormone that helps with mood, sleep, and cycle regulation, but stress from poor sleep lowers it. If you make a lot of cortisol, you're not making very much progesterone. So you might notice a lot of changes in your menstrual cycle, more anxiety, just worse sleep, hair falling out, all sorts of things can go south, if you're not making progesterone. And for women in perimenopause or menopause, sleep is even more critical because your estrogen and progesterone are already fluctuating. So poor sleep adds another layer of stress, which can intensify hot flashes, mood swings, weight gain, all of it. But it's not just about how long you sleep, it's also about sleep quality. So deep sleep is when your body repairs tissues, balances blood sugar, detoxifies hormones like estrogen, and restores your brain chemistry. Think happy, right? So without enough deep sleep, you're starting each day hormonally in the red. So what can you do to protect your sleep? Here are a few quick tips, and we'll get more as we go on. So you want to get light in your eyes first thing in the morning because it sets your body clock. Isn't that great? You want to wind down at night, dim the lights, turn off screens at least an hour before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, especially important if night sweats are an issue, of course, but women just need a cooler room at night. Avoid caffeine after noon, preferably completely if possible, because it can still be in your system at bedtime. Go to bed at the same time most nights. Your hormones love routine. So even your daytime routine is really important. So here is the takeaway from today. Sleep isn't lazy. It's active hormone work. Every night is a chance for your body to reset, rebalance, and repair. When you honor your sleep, you're not just helping your mood or your energy, you're literally helping your hormones work for you, not against you. So tonight, treat sleep like the powerful hormone therapy that it really is. Oh my gosh, I'd love for you to post right here something that really lights you up about sleep. Like I say, it's one of my favorite topics. All right, sending you so much love. Mwah.